Well, in another big ruling, the Supreme Court struck down a law written by a Bay Area lawmaker. It's a big win for abortion opponents. KPIX 5 political reporter Melissa Kane is outside a pregnancy resource center in San Francisco with a look at the impact. Melissa.
Yeah. Behind me is an Alpha Pregnancy Center. It's a licensed medical facility that provides ultrasounds and pregnancy testing. And until today, they were required to post a notice so that anyone who comes in could see that the state of California provides free and low-cost abortion services. But today, the U.S. Supreme Court said that requirement is unconstitutional.
This is a really good decision for the pregnancy resource centers and for the pro-life movement in general.
It wasn't totally unexpected, but pro-life groups were thrilled to see today's Supreme Court ruling.
This is simply an advertisement for California government-funded abortions, enforcing a pro-life pregnancy resource center to refer women for abortions. It's about as unconstitutional as it gets.
The law that was struck down today had two parts. Licensed medical facilities had to post a notice that there are low-cost abortion services available through the state. Unlicensed facilities had to post a notice saying they are not licensed.
So California passed a law saying you got to post these notices. The Supreme Court today struck them down. 5-4, they struck down the statute.
The court said that the state cannot compel pregnancy crisis centers to make those statements. Bay Area Assemblyman David Chu wrote the law that was struck down.
Extremely disappointing. It's a disappointing day in America.
Still, the court has ruled and pro-life groups are celebrating. Roger Ganem with the Liberty Council says he's glad California pushed the envelope.
And the fact that California has gone so far, I think, is what led to the Supreme Court feeling the need to push back. And so, in one sense, I'm thankful that California has gone as far as it has because it's resulted in a decision that will now apply throughout the country.
But that fight is not over. Coming up at 6, we are going to show you what we were told by Assemblyman Chu and Professor Roy Little about the future of the First Amendment and pregnancy centers in California. Live in San Francisco, Melissa Kane, KPIX 5.